In this video, we are going to see what is a web service and what are its types. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. What is a web service? It can be defined by the following ways. It is a client-server application or application component for communication, we can say, and the method of communication between two devices over the network, or we can say it as a software system for the interoperable machine-to-machine communication. It is a collection of standards or protocols for exchanging information between two devices or application. So these are the ways we can define a web service. In the present world, applications are developed on a variety of programming languages such as Java, Python, PHP, etc. And these heterogeneous applications need communication to happen between them. So this can be achieved by using web services. That is, web services provide a language independent way of communication. That means the applications working on Java can communicate with other applications working on Python. So these web services provide an interoperable machine-to-machine communication, and that is, if application designed in Java can communicate with the application designed in .NET through a service called web service. That is, this web service can be a set of protocols in which the two different heterogeneous applications communicate. And now you can see how do these web services work. This use the client server to communicate. That is, web services use the request response method to communicate among applications. And in the case of web services, medium is the internet and the common format is the XML format. That is, every application that needs to communicate with the other heterogeneous application, the format they transfer will be the common XML format. That is, so now we can understand that this web service is a set of protocols that say how the communication should happen between the two heterogeneous applications so that each of them can understand each other. So that can be in a common format, that is an XML format. And nowadays JSON format is used. And client sends the request through a message which is in common XML format, and the response, the service provider will respond with a message in the common XML format. So and this way this web services work. And in seeing this diagram, we can clearly understand that the web server will host the services, that is web services, and these all applications or software programs which request the web service will communicate the request in the XML format, and the this web server will which hosts the web service will again and sends the data in the in the common XML format, so through the internet. So in this way the web service operates. There are two types of web services. One is the SOAP and next one is the RESTful web service. And first we can see the SOAP web service. This stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, and it is a XML based protocol for accessing web services. It is a platform independent and language independent, and using SOAP you can able to interact with the other programming language applications. So it is an XML based protocol. Next one is the RESTful web service. It is Representational State Transfer web services. They are also language independent and platform independent and are considered faster than SOAP. and they return the data in JSON format or XML format. If a client requests their particular data or web service, then they create the data on the object and send the state of the object also in response to the client's request. Not only sending only the data, it also sends the state of the object. So that is why they are known as representational state transfer. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented, share and like my videos.